Today in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to remove Google account from your Android phone. So hey guys, this is Rishikesh from RiPixel and let's get started with this video. Before we begin this video, I want to tell you that if you remove your Google account from your device, all of the data such as photos, contacts and files associated with that account will disappear from your phone. So make sure that you have synced that data with your other Google account. I'll tell you how to do it in the comment section below. The first thing that you need to do is open your Gmail app. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Manage Accounts on this device. You will be taken to this settings page where you will see all of the Google accounts that are on your device. Choose the account that you want to remove. For example, I want to remove this account, so I'll tap on it. Here, tap on Remove Account. If you don't see the Remove Account button, it will be located somewhere in the options or three dots. Tap on Remove Account. Now read this instruction carefully. Then tap on Remove Account. Once you do that, the account will be removed from your phone. That's how you remove Google account from your Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.